Your 20s are financial quicksand. Everyone's buying cars they can't afford, drowning in debt, and wondering why they're broke. Here's the truth. What you buy in your 20s decides if your 30s are wealthy or paycheck to paycheck. Most people spend now and plan later, like training for a marathon the day before the race. I'm Shozib. If you're tired of your money going nowhere, subscribe, because today I'm breaking down 7 purchases that can change your financial future. Point 1. Invest in a side hustle. This might surprise you, but the most powerful purchase in your 20s isn't a thing, it's an income stream. Most people think side hustles are free. They're not. The successful ones require upfront investment: tools, equipment, a website, software, or education. Whether it's photography gear, business tools, or learning a skill, money invested here can multiply faster than almost anything else. The advantage of starting in your 20s is freedom. No mortgage, no kids, less risk. If you fail, you recover fast. If you succeed, you change your entire life. The key: build on what you're already good at. Don't chase trends, leverage skills. 2. Index funds through a Roth IRA. This is where compound interest becomes unfair in your favor. If you invest just $200 a month at age 22 into an S&P 500 index fund earning 10%, you'll have over $1 million by retirement. Wait until 32. You lose about $300,000. Index funds are boring, and that's why they work. Low fees, broad diversification, consistent long-term growth. And inside a Roth IRA, that growth is tax-free. Automate it. If you never see the money, you won't spend it. 3. Buy a plane ticket strategically. This isn't about luxury vacations or flexing on Instagram. It's about perspective. Travel builds confidence, adaptability, and connections. Navigating unfamiliar environments teaches problem-solving skills that transfer directly into business and life. Do it smartly. Use travel rewards credit cards, pay balances in full, earn points, and build credit. You're investing in experiences that expand how you think and who you meet. 4. Education that pays you back. Not the $100,000 degree kind. I'm talking books, courses, workshops, and real skills. A $20 book can change how you think forever. A $200 course can increase your income for decades. Avoid flashy Lamborghini guru scams. Learn from people who've actually built something. Your brain learns fastest in your 20s. Stack skills now, and they compound for life. 5. Real estate. Yes, even in your 20s. This scares people, but it shouldn't. Real estate builds wealth through appreciation, rental income, and leverage. Even if you're broke, strategies like house hacking make it possible. Duplexes, roommates, or short-term rentals. Let other people pay your mortgage while you build equity. It's work, but the payoff is massive. 6. Cheap, reliable transportation. Notice I didn't say, buy a nice car. Cars are not investments. They're depreciating liabilities. A $500 monthly car payment invested instead could grow to over $600,000 in 30 years. Buy a 3 to 5 year old Honda or Toyota. Reliable. Cheap to fix. No stress. Freedom comes from eliminating unnecessary monthly payments. 7. Invest in your health. This one gets ignored, but it controls everything. Energy, focus, discipline, longevity, good food, sleep, basic exercise. You don't need luxury gyms, just consistency. Poor health doesn't just cost medical bills, it costs opportunities. You can't build wealth if you're exhausted, stressed, and burned out. Health is a performance enhancer for every other goal you have. The big picture. These 7 purchases aren't separate, they're connected. Side hustles need energy. Investing needs cash flow. Avoiding car payments creates freedom. Education expands opportunities. Health sustains effort. The biggest mistake: trying to do everything at once. Start where you are. Build momentum. And yes, this path means being different. Driving an older car. Saying no to lifestyle inflation. Being patient while others chase appearances. But here's the payoff. Real success isn't looking rich. It's having choices. Your 20s will pass either way. The question is whether future you will be grateful or full of regret. Start with one smart purchase today. 10 years from now, it'll make all the difference.